just a scotch. A little, let it slide, let it slide, let it slide. All right, she's ready. Now the butter. I'm doing Bob's method, foaming. Oh, we gotta turn her down to low. That's what we didn't do right. All right, he does this thing where he separates the yolk. It's like this. I think that's how he does it. Look at that. Wait, Bob told me to try to do a little, ooh, 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 can we do it? No. My buddy Bob Travis got tired of me complaining about cooking eggs. So he sent me these. And he calls them magic spatulas. Well, I call them my last hope. So today, I'm attempting his legendary egg slide challenge. But here's the problem. I'm not a good cook. And my fried eggs end up being a scrambled disaster most times. Bob, I hope you have a backup plan for breakfast. All right, so the first thing Bob says, we got a medium heat. Put the burner on just below medium heat. And that's about as close as we can get there. Then, we're gonna use some avocado oil so all you anti-seed oil folks don't have a coronary. Put that in there, like a so. Or not like a so. Oh, you gotta take the lid thing off. Oops. There you go. All right. Well, according to Bob, we're gonna wait 5 to 7 minutes to let this get up to heat. So let's do that. Then Bob does this thing where he does this like little coating action. Ooh, look at there. Look at there. So now it's been about 5 minutes. And then Bob says to turn the heat down to low. And then we're gonna put the butter in. We got that fancy spatula. Ooh, look at there. So basically he says you wanna wait till the bubbles stop bubbling. Once they become very small and calm, the pan is at the perfect temperature. I think we might have too much oil in here. I don't know, but let's do this. We're gonna try. It says do this little thing where you self-release. I think we have too much oil. Yeah. Oops. I mean, she's a sliding though. Look at her. She's a sliding. She's sliding like she's on an ice rink. Look at there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give her a little flipperoonie. Man, this special. Oh, it's not scrambled. Look at that. Tell you what. Well, Bob's right. And here we have it. That fried it. Oh, look at that. So there we go. I think Bob is onto something with this spatula. And you know what? Cooking eggs for me has always been hard. But thanks to Bob, man, I made it happen. And by the way, I used way too much oil. Note to self, don't put that much oil in the pan before you add the butter. But she slid around like she was on an ice rink. So anyway, Heath, Hayley, East Texas Duct Tape, thanks and God bless. Thank you, Bob.